Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn how to remove the empty arrays from the array. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So sometimes the situation arises like I have the array and some of them fields are empty, right? So I want to remove that empty arrays or empty that variable over here. So how I'm going to do that? For that reason, for that one, I'm using the filter. Okay, so here I'm using the filter method to remove the empty arrays. So what it does, so I'm just filtering out whatever the length should be greater than 0. If suppose its length is there, its length is there, if its length is 0, if the length is greater than 0, then it will add that part and the rest of the eliminate that. Okay, and return the array. Let's have a look on that one. So here I'm going to inspect this one, and here you can see that the last empty array, you can see that this is the last empty array, which is now not visible because I have just filtered out. So whatever the length of that one greater than 0, I'm just picking up that one, not the empty one. So this is how we are able to remove the empty arrays from the array. Note that the filter method does not modify the original array, right? Filter never modify the original array but creates a new one. So we reassign the new array to the original array variable in order to remove the empty arrays from the original array. Okay, so just a simple line that you can use the filter method, and those who have the length greater than 0, put it that one and console that log. You will get all the variables that has the values, not the empty one. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.